Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at a really important concept. If we have some set of notes as in a guitar shape and we emphasize them differently, we can produce completely different sound flavours. Emphasized one way, the tune sounds like it's minor. Emphasized differently, it could sound like a major sound flavour or maybe a different type of minor sound flavour. The point being, there's no such thing as a shape that's dedicated to just one scale. This video will demonstrate this and give you some ideas for how to create the emphasis I'm talking about. This is the shape I'll be using, primarily around these notes here. In this first example, I want to create the sound flavour of a scale type called phrygian, and I'm going to do it around B as the tonal centre. To establish B as the tonal centre, I need to emphasise the notes in the B minor triad. To create the sound flavour of phrygian, I need to emphasise these two notes as well. In the example I'm about to play you, notice where these notes fall against the beat, their duration, and where silence occurs. These in particular are emphasised to make you aware of the sound flavour of B phrygian. Remember, I'm trying to demonstrate how we can get different sound flavours from exactly the same set of notes in a given pattern. I'm not trying to teach you about the actual sound flavour itself. That's for another lesson. Okay, use your eyes and ears. Here goes. Same idea with the bass. Now let's add piano. In this second example, I'm going to use the exact same pattern, the same notes, to create the sound flavour of Dorian in Aeolian tonality. These notes of the minor triad are essential to establish the tonality around A. Emphasise these two notes for the particular sound flavour we want of Dorian. First, the bass, establishing the A minor. Here are the piano chords. Now let's add the guitar melody. Let's watch it. And here's the shape. So, you've just seen and heard the exact same shape being used to create two different sound flavours, A Dorian and B phrygian. Each time we had to emphasise the tonic triad off of the tonal centre we want, and then we emphasise the other notes required for a specific sound flavour. I hope you got some idea that the shape is not dedicated to just one scale. I hope you really enjoy this. Thanks very much. See you next time.